Okay guys, so I'm building another rock slider, this time for my friend. He is wanting me to build this one for him. He lives in SoCal, and so he wants it for his 2020 ChevyTrail Hog. And according to him, this is his dimension. He wants it 88-inch long, and he wants it with the kick out. So I'm gonna build him a kick out rock slider, and it's gonna be 88-inch long, and he's gonna install it himself. So basically I'm just gonna make the sliders, give him legs, give him brackets, and he'll be installing it himself. So it's almost done. She requires little legs right here for support, so it'll be 1, 2, and 3, 4 on the other side. So total, each one it's gonna have 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, 4 leg, and then 5 legs. That should be enough to hold the truck up. That's been my experience. So this is how it looks like, the bad boy. And the other side, looking very nice. The rock slider is finally done. So as you can see, she is done. It's at night, so yeah, there's a lot of glare because I sand down the mill scale. And yeah, it's ready to be installed. Contacted the buddy from SoCal, and he's gonna come, or have somebody come and pick this bad boy up. Okay, I'll give you another view. So this is the side view. Okay, and this is how the bad boy looks. I had fun creating this from scratch. Home built. And yeah, you can drop it on a rock and it won't break on you. Okay. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys. Okay, Zonku, she is ready for you to come and pick it up. You can have your family member who lives in this town of mine, come and pick this bad boy up. So I made it as you want it to be. That was your plan, right? Like that. That's the kick out right here. So that's how it looks like. And let me lean it down. Say, this is how the bad boy looks like, as you can see. All right, so you'll see here, this is the welding seam for the tube. I purposely made this going up like that. The reason is because this is the weakest part of the tube. So you don't want this to be underneath, because if you hit a rock on this, this thing will split. So this is the weakest part, it stays up so that it doesn't get hit by rocks. Okay, so all the square tubing has this welding seam on. Okay, so this is point 120 wall. Okay, this is also point 120 wall. This is DOM tubing. Okay, they're not pipes, they're tubing. DOM tubing. And so these are made to slide over rock. You can abuse it without it bending or breaking on you. So yeah, I'm still trying to get used to my welding machine. I got a new one, so it welded okay. Here's another one. Yeah, here's another one. Okay, and here's another one. So that's my old welding machine. It died. Here's a new one. Although they are similar in the model, they are basically the same model. This one is more sensitive, and that's not very sensitive right there, but maybe because of age. But I've used that for 10 years. So yeah, it's ready for you to pick up, buddy. I'm gonna give you this metal right here for you to make legs for it, and I'm gonna cut some more brackets for you so you can have it built. Okay, that's it, bro. This is for you.